In the name of Almighty Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. As Muhammad, peace be upon him, narrated, if any man travels on a road in search of knowledge, Almighty Allah will cause him to travel on one of the roads of paradise. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Tariq Masood. Thank you very much for watching my videos and your wonderful support to make this channel a grand success. We are a family, a partner. Please subscribe and share our channel if you haven't done so far. We as a team can work together to convert challenges into opportunities and opportunities into success stories. These success stories can be monetized into validation in the world by large. Thank you very much for your precious time. Okay, before my lecture, I used to read a Quranic verse. Qala Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli Allahumma Rabbi zidni ilma. O my Lord, open my chest and ease my tasks for me, and loose a knot from my tongue that they may understand my sayings. Allahumma Rabbi zidni ilma, O Allah, advance me in my knowledge and a true understanding. Okay, today I'm going to discuss my lecture number 28, Exploration, Production, Upstream, Midstream, Refining, Petrochemical, Differentiated Performance, Enabling Optimization Process, lecture number 28. Okay, oil and gas production, introduction, facilities and process, reservoir and wellhead, operation management system, upstream facility management system, midstream facilities management systems, refining facility management system, petrochemicals as the moment we are discussing, utility systems, unconventional, conventional resources and environment effects. What is the ultimate goal? Shaping the clean and sustainable global energy delivery. Planned to deliver more than 300 lakh next couple of years. Okay, oil and gas production, the downstream and gas processing, lecture number 28. Today we are going to discuss olefins, propellants and butadienes. Okay, from my next slide we'll give you key takeaway points. Okay, key takeaway points, lecture number 28. Olefins, propylene, butadienes, derivatives we are going to discuss today. Okay, propylene derivatives. First, we'll discuss polypropylenes, PP, polyurethanes, acrylonitriles, butadiene sterins. First, we'll discuss PP, polypropylenes, or various thermoplastic plastic of fibers that are polymers of propylenes. Polypropylene can be made into fibers where it is a major constituent in fabrics for home furnishing, such as upholsteries and carpets. Numerous industrial end uses including rope, cordage, disposal, non-woven fabrics for dampers and medical applications, as a plastic of propylene is molded into bottles for foods and personal care products. Appliances, housing, dishwashers, proof, food containers, toys, automobile, battery casing, and outdoor furniture, etc. Polyurethanes are used. Second is the polyurethanes are used to make the foam in furniture, mattresses, car seatings, building insulations, and coating for floors, furniture, refrigerator. They are also used in artificial sports track, jogging shoes, and in roller blade wheels, etc. Okay. Acrylonitrile butadienes, sterins. This is also known ABS, is a tough heat resistance and impact resistance thermoplastic, with the acrylonitrile providing heat resistance and the sterin offering rigidity. It is widely used for appliances and telephone housings, luggage, sporting, helmets, pipe fitting, and automotive parts. Okay, propylene's derivatives. First, we'll discuss primary petrochemicals. The olefins will produce ethylenes, propylenes, butadienes, butanenes, pay gas, and further it processed and produce propylene oxides, polyesters, and polyurethanes, and polypropylenes here. So the acrylonitriles here will produce acrylonitriles, butadienes, stearins, and polyacrylonitriles. Okay. Then it will produce here the common synthesis of benzenes, phenol and phenolic chains, and acetones will produce MMA or methyl methacrylate. Okay, first a polyacrylonitriles is a semi-crystal this one here. Okay. Okay. Polyacrylonitriles here is a semi-crystalline polymer resins, though it is a thermoplastic. It does not melt under normal condition. It degrades before melting. It is used to produce a large variety of products, including ultrafiltration membranes, hollow fibers for reverse osmosis, fibers for textile, and paint fibers that are chemical precursors for the carbon fibers. Okay, second is over here. This one, the Homan says, is an aromatic derivative from benzene and is used in turn to produce polycarbonates, phenolic resins, and essential healthcare products such as aspirin and penicillin. Okay, number 3 over here, this is MMA, methacrylate here. The principal application of methyl methacrylate is the production of polymethyl methacrylate PMMA. Acrylic plastics, also MMA, is used for the production of copolymer methyls. Methacrylate, butadiene, stearin, MBS, used as a modifier for PVC. MMA polymers and copolymers are used for waterborne coating such as latex, housing, painting, etc. Okay, now we're going to discuss butadiene, butalenes, pay-gas derivatives. First is the pay-gas, then we'll talk about stearin, butadienes, rubber, SBR, methacrylate. It is also MMA. Okay, pay-gas or pyrolysis gasoline is a naphtha range product with high aromatic content, are used either for gasoline blending or as a feedstock for BTX extraction unit. Pay-gas is produced in ethylenes, a plant that processes butane, naphtha, or gasoline. Okay, stearins, butadienes, rubber or SBR is a rubber manufactured from stearins because of its excellent abrasion resistance. It is widely used in automobile and truck tires as well as for carpet backing and paper coating. About 50% of car tires is made from SBR material. Other applications are in belting, flooring, wire and cable insulation, and boot wears. Okay, methyl methacrylate or MMA. The principal application of methyl methacrylate is the production of polymethyl methacrylate PMMA. Acrylic plastics, also MMA, is used for the production of copolymer methyls. Methacrylate, butadiene, stearins, MBS, used as a modifier for PVC. MMA polymers and copolymers are used for the waterborne coating such as latex, housing, painting, etc. Okay, now we are going to discuss butadienes, butalenes, pay-gas derivative here. If you can see here, this is my primary petrochemicals. Okay, so the olefins here, it will produce ethylenes, propylenes, butadienes, butalenes, and pay-gas here, and further into aromatics. So the butadienes further converted into stearins butadiene, polybutadienes, and polyisobutalenes. Okay, it's further processed and converted to the methyl methacrylate here, and here the polybutadienes and MTB, isobutanes and polybutalenes, and then MTB here. Okay. Okay. First, we'll discuss polybutadienes here. Okay. Polybutadiene is a synthetic rubber that is a polymer formed from the polymerizations of monomers 1 and 3 butadienes. It has high resistance to wear and it is used especially in the manufacturing of tires. It also used to coat or encapsulate electronic assemblies, offering extremely high electrical resistivity. Okay, second is polyisobutylenes. Okay, polyisobutylene is a synthetic rubber or elastomers. It is special because it is the only rubber that is gas impermeable. It is the only rubber which can hold air for a long period of time. Polyisobutylenes, sometimes called butyls rubber, is a vinyl polymer and is very similar to polyethylenes and polypropylenes in structures. Okay, next is polybutalenes. Okay, now the polybutalenes here is a high molecules weight, linear, isotactic, and semi-crystalline polymers. A PB1 replaces materials like metal, rubber, and engineering polymers because of its specific properties. It is mainly used in pressures piping, flexible packaging, water heaters, compounding, and hot melt adhesive equipment. Okay, further over here, MTB. Okay, MTB is used in gasoline to boost the octane rating and to decrease toxic emission in the exhaust. As an octane enhancers, MTB delivers high octane numbers at relatively low cost. A direct effect of the use of MTB is reduction of both regulated emissions, CO, unburned hydrocarbons, and unregulated emissions. Okay. Okay, conclusion. What we discussed today: aromatics, propylene derivatives, butadienes, butalenes, pay gas derivatives. Next topic: oil and gas productions, synthesis gases. Okay, references. First, Qatar Petroleum, Doha, Qatar. Oil and Gas Development Corporation Limited, Pakistan. World Energy Outlook 2013, US Geological Survey, US Department of Energy, Shell Budgets, Oilfield Glossaries, International Energy Agency (IEA), Wikipedia, Oklahoma State Margin Wells Commissions, Pumpers Manuals, State Oil Fact Sheet Norsix, the Standard Servers, The Story of Oil in Pennsylvania, Air Liquid Gas Encyclopedia, Natural Gas from Wellhead to Burner Tip. Okay. Together, everyone achieve more. Please do not hesitate to send me your input feedback t.masood.dr@path.edu. Or you can also send me your feedback on WhatsApp. I have also provided my WhatsApp number. Thank you very much for your precious time. Please stay at home, stay safe, inspired, and blessed. Thank you very much and take care.